Hello guys, today we will deal with the partial derivative. So before starting this topic, I would like to recall all of you what is the definition of derivative in case of function of one variable. So we know that if y is equal to fx be a function of one variable, then derivative of function of one variable is denoted by dy upon dx at point x is equal to a, or sometime we write it is equal to f dash a, and the value of f dash a is equal to limit x tends to a f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. So if this limit exists, then it will be equal to of some value, we call it f dash a, and this f dash a denotes the slope of tangent line at point x is equal to a. But in case of two variable function, in case of function of two variable, suppose we have function of two variable z is equal to f of xy. So we cannot differentiate it directly because here we have two variable, one is x and another other is y. So we have to differentiate the function first with respect to x, then we write it as del z upon del x, that is partial derivative of z with respect to x. Suppose we want to find it at a point a comma b. We also denote partial derivative of f with respect to x at point a comma b like this, and its value is equal to, since we are differentiating z with respect to x, so in that case the second variable, that is y, will be constant. We treat y as a constant when we are going to differentiate partially z with respect to x. Then we write it is equal to limit s tends to 0 f of a plus h comma b minus f of a b upon h. So if z is function of two variable, that is x and y, then its first partial derivative with respect to x at a point a comma b is calculated by this formula, this one. And similarly, if we differentiate the function fxy, that is z with respect to y at point a comma b, then we write it is equal to fy at point a comma b, and this will be equal to limit, we are using some different symbol here, k tends to 0 f a comma b plus k minus f of ab upon h. So then fx and fy are called the first order partial derivative of of fxy now we will compute some example to find the partial derivative of function fxy with respect to x and y. So first example is we have fxy is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Compute fx at 1 comma 1 and fy at 1 comma 1. So since we have fxy is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So first of all we will find del f upon del x at point a comma b. So we will differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. That means we will treat y as a constant in this case. So the first term is x square, so its derivative with respect to x is 2x. Then here 2 and y are constant, so 2y, and derivative of x is 1, plus y square has no term of x, so it is again constant, and derivative of constant is 0, so it becomes 2x plus 2y. Now the av is 1 1, so in place of av, so it is fx 1 1 will be equal to, now put in place of x 1, so we get 2 and 2, that is 4. This is equal to 4. Similarly we can find the partial derivative of f with respect to y, and this will be equal to, this time treat x is as a constant here, so it becomes 0 plus 2x and plus 2y, and after simplifying this we get 2x plus 2y. Now we have to find the partial derivative of f at point 1 comma 1, and this will be equal to 2 plus 2, that is again 4. So we will continue this topic in the next video. So thank you very much.